Okay, so let's find the minimum of an array using the same idea with how we solved, using the same idea for the minimum, for the maximum. Okay, so as you would expect, not much will change except we're finding the minimum. So let's come back here and let's change this name. So let me rename this to minimum. Okay. All right, so we expect that we will ask the user for the values. That does not change. And so in this example, we expect 11 to be the minimum if I type in these values. So obviously we're not finding the maximum, we're finding the minimum. Okay. And again, the algorithm states that the minimum will be initially set to the first value in the array. And so now whenever we go through the loop, we will also start at I equals 1. However, we are no longer checking to see if the subsequent values, if the following values are greater than. We want to make sure they're less than. Okay? So if they are smaller than the current minimum, then we want the minimum to change. Okay, so if it's smaller, if the current value is smaller than the current minimum, then the current value will become the new minimum. And of course, let's change this to minimum. And that should be all the change we need to make. Again, quite similar to the way we found the maximum. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, so if I put in 11, 22, $33, $44, okay, and 55, we get that the minimum is 11. Okay, so it works, and again, that is how we find the minimum. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.